morning students, and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we are going through the chapter number 4, that is linear equation in two variables. Sorry, I have written here the equation, but here will come variables. Here will come variables. Okay students, so now where we have reached, we have just reached to the, we have seen the example number 8. Okay students, we have seen the example number 8. See here in the 4.3, exercise number 4.3, see here the word problems are given, that is question number 6, question number 7 and question number 8. Okay students, so I am just solving question number 6, 7 and 8 in this video, and then after we will go further. So first of all, reading the question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by a body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw a graph of the same by taking constant force as phi units. Also read from the graph the work done when the body travels by the when the distance travelled by body is 2 unit and 0. So in this what we have to do? Here work done is equal to what? Exercise 4.3, question number 6. If I say work done, we have to here find the work done. So work done is equal to what students? Have you know the formula of this? Force into distance. Force into distance is the work done. Okay students, and here what they just say, the work done by y, the distance, let us, the work done is y and the distance travel is x. Then what is given here? Draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as phi units. So here what is done? Y is equal to phi x. See here the constant force that is given here, that is phi. Force we have to take, that is phi, and the distance that we have take, that is x, and the work done, that is y. Let the work done is equal to y and the distance that is x. So now we get a formula or an equation, that is y is equal to phi x. Now what we have to do students? Now draw a graph. But how we will draw a graph students? See here, first of all what we have to take? We have to make a box of values. Suppose this is x and y. If we take this x, y, then what here in the question you have seen that the unit, see here students, I am again reading the question that see here, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables. So that we have done, and then after we are just putting one by one the value of x, and we will just find out the value of y. So also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by a body is 2 units and 0 units. So for that, here first of all, when x is equal to 1, First of all, when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. Then if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15. Then x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. See here, we have taken the value of x, y, okay students, here, but you can also take the value as x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Here I have taken 4, then you can also take here 4, that if I take here 4, then answer will be, if x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 5 4s are 20. See here, I am just writing the values which we have got, that is x is equal to 1, 3, 4. Then y we get, that is 5, 15, 20. Any of the value of the x if we take, then we get the different value of y. Now let us draw the graph over here. Okay students, let us draw the graph. See here the graph for that. So this is our graph. Here what we have to, we have to take x value up to 5. So here up to 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here we have take up to 6 value, and y value we have to take up to 20. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we have take these values. Now just when the value of x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5. See here, x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 5. So our first point is this. You can see students, we can write here 1, 5. And the another point, that is when the value of x is equal to 3, then value of y is equal to 15. Value of x is equal to 3, then the y value is equal to 15. So it will come over here. Okay students, this is our point. I don't have scale, so I am not making the perfect point students. So when the value of x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 20. Here value of x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 20. So it will be over here. So this is our point 3, 15, and this is our point 4, 20. Okay students, now just drawing a straight line from here. Okay students, we have just drawn a line. You can see students line, and then after you have given in the textbook, you can see from graph we have to observe that we see here from graph we have to just work done when the unit of the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. When the distance of the body is traveled by 2 units, means x is equal to 2, distance traveled by a body is equal to 2 unit. So x is equal to 2, here x is equal to 2, then what we get the value? See here, if I take x is equal to 2, then we get y is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. 5 into 2, that is 10. So our point will be over here, that is 2, 10. And the next one is 0 unit. Here if I take x is equal to 0, then what we get? Y is also equal to 0. If I take x is equal to 0, then y also 5 into 0, that is 0. Okay students, so this is our another point, that is 0, 0. Okay students, so this is our graph. You know now that why I haven't taken here 2. If I will take 2, then your answer will be drawn over here, but we have to describe this from the graph. Okay students, please note down this. Okay students, have you noted down this? See here, going towards the question number 7, that is Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9 of a school, together contributes 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contribution as x and y. Draw the graph of the same. See here, what we have to do is, so first of all we have to form an equation. This is question number 7. Okay students, now what we have to do, they just contributes 100 rupees to the Prime Minister Relief Fund of earthquake. So if we take 2 any, who are they? Yamini and Fatima. If I take Yamini is equal to x and Fatima is equal to y, then their contribution is what? Yamini and Fatima gave 100 rupees. What they gave? 100 rupees. So now taking the values of x, which x and y value is possible over here. See here, if I take x is equal to 100, that means y is equal to 0. Then if I take 50-50, both have, just take, you take 50 and I take 50, then x is equal to 50, then y is also equal to 50. And then another probability, that is if x has not given anything, that is 0 and that is 100. So these 3 probabilities can be done over here. So I am just drawing a graph of it. So here the maximum x value is 100 and maximum y value is also 100. So how we will draw a graph? See here, I am just drawing a graph of the unit. 1 unit is equal to 10 rupees. 1 unit is equal to 10 rupees. See here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. In same way over here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. See here, we get the graph now. Just putting the points. See here, this is x and this is y. So when x is equal to 100, then y is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 100, that is over here. So I can give this point as 100, 0. This is our point 1. So we have made this point and going towards next point, that is x is equal to 50, then y is equal to 50. Here x is equal to 50 is over here and y is equal to 50, that is over here. Yes, it is over here, students. You can see that. So this is the point 50, 50, and other one, that is when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 100, then this is our point. So our point is 0, 100. This is our points here. Now just making the line so you can understand the graphs here. This is our line. Sorry students, I can't make the straight line. Okay, so this is your line. Please note down this, students. And in that way, you just have to do the example, exercise 4.3 question 8. Okay students, you have to do exercise question 8 by your own. If you have doubt, then I will help you in solving. And now moving further, equations of line parallel to x and y. So just reading these theories of it, you have studied how to write the coordinates of a given point in the Cartesian plane. Do you know where the points 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 4, 0 and n 0 for any real number n lies in the Cartesian plane? Yes, they all lie on the x-axis. But do you know the y? Because on the x-axis, the y coordinates of each point is 0. In fact, every point on the x-axis is of the form x 0. Can you now guess the equation of the x-axis? It is given by y is equal to 0. Note that y is equal to 0 can be expressed as 0x plus 1, y is equal to 0. Similarly, observe that the equation of the y-axis is given by x is equal to 0. Now consider the equation x minus 2 is equal to 0. If this is treated as an equation is one variable x only, then it has the unique solution that x is equal to 2, which is one of the point on the number line. However, when treated as an equation in two variables, it can be expressed as, see here how it is expressed. Here x plus 0 y is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. This has infinitely many solutions. In fact, they are all of the form of 2r, where r is a real number. Also you can check every point of the form 2r is a solution of this equation. So as an equation in two variables, x minus 2 is equal to 0 is represented by the line a b in the graph. You can see here how the parallel lines are formed. Okay students, now see here example number 9 is given. I will just explain it orally only. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. So what they have given? See here, they have given in the example number 9, example number 9, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. So what we have to do, that is, if I take 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3, then If I take this x this side, then it will be minus 2x minus x, and this plus 1 that side, so minus 3 minus 1. So x is equal to minus 4, minus minus plus, so 3 plus 1 4, but the sign will remain minus only. So minus 4, we get x is equal to minus 4. See here, some description is given. So now the representation of the solution on the number line is shown in the figure 4.9. X is equal to minus 4 is treated as an equation in one variable. We know that x is equal to minus 4 can be written as x plus 0y is equal to minus 4, which is a linear equation in the variables x and y. This is represented by a line. Now all the values of y are permissible because 0y is always 0. However, x must satisfy the equation x is equal to minus 4. Hence, two solutions of the given equation are x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 2. So, note that the graph AB is in line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 4 units to left of it. Okay, students. Now, similarly, you can obtain a line parallel to x-axis corresponding to equation this type y is equal to 3. Okay, students. Now, see here in this type of graph, what they just do is the line parallel line is just obtained. Parallel line is just obtained over here. Here, if I want to represent a line where x is equal to minus 4, then if I draw a line like this, okay students, this is line here 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. See here, what x is equal to minus 4, then it is over here. Okay students, but this is not in the two variables. So what we have to do is that x plus 0 y is equal to minus 4. We have done this. So any value of y is possible, then it will be only 0. So we get our point which is parallel, we get our line that is parallel to this. See here, this is parallel to each other, and if we take here, this will remain as it is. If I take 0x plus y is equal to minus 4, then all the possible value of x is always 0, so that y is equal to minus 4 and that line will be drawn over here. Okay students, that is parallel to x-axis and this is parallel to y-axis. Okay students, this is done in this type of sum. See here in the exercise 4.4 it is given and you have to draw like this. Okay students, now please write down your homework students. So in your homework, you have to solve exercise 4.3 remaining sum. Okay students, and exercise 4.4, and also solve this example again, that is example number 9. Okay students, bye. Now we will meet in our next video.